He has the hiccups. Can you hear him?
He kind of stopped. There he goes. A little bit of gas.
How cute he is.
His eyes. Oh, there's a hiccup. His eyes open.
Yeah, a little. Hiccup. Oh, you still got him.
I'm sorry.
Must have been that sugar water. Okay, bye-bye.